Because is the right usage when there is a cause-effect relationship, and in that is the right usage when it is about an intrinsic quality of something. Lichens are unusual life forms, so there is no cause-effect here. It's about some intrinsic property of lichens, and therefore answer choices which use because can be comfortably eliminated. So A, B, C can go. Answer choice E makes their composition the subject here, which is awkward, and composition is referring to organisms such as, look at the modifier bit here. This term here is likely to refer to the nearest noun before the comma, which is their composition. So their composition is organisms such as plant and fungi doesn't make sense. Very awkward. E can go. Let's confirm answer choice D. Lichens are unusual life forms in that, a very good usage for the intended meaning of the sentence here, in that they are composed of organisms such as, something very interesting, such as is used for giving examples and like is used for comparing nouns. So whenever you see a like versus such as among answer choices, be very careful. More often than not, such as would win. But again, meaning is more important. The role played by the term plants and fungi is of examples here, and therefore such as is better. And then once again, organisms would refer to the nearest noun before the comma. So yes, the modifier bit is all right here. Plants and fungi, organisms not normally found in symbiotic relationships with each other. So plants and fungi are organisms which are normally not found in symbiotic relationships with each other, and that is why lichens are unusual life forms, in that they are composed of plants and fungi. Answer choice D conveys the intended meaning, uses such as for giving examples, uses in that rather than because for conveying an intrinsic quality of something, avoids the modifier error seen in choice E, is free of any awkwardness and redundancy. D is the best answer choice.